1 in 6. That's the number of people with developmental disorders and mental health issues.
For many people with developmental disorders, an inability to communicate with their peers directly translates to a feeling of alienation. Many are bullied by their classmates and co-workers, and this bullying culminates in teens and adults with unresolved mental health issues. But in a country like India, where mental health is so heavily stigmatized, this stigma remains an effective barrier towards preventing many from seeking out treatment. Even if people overcome the stigma, the problem still exists in the form of high-cost therapists and counselors. And this has got to stop.
Envision a world free of stigma, where people with developmental disorders can lead a healthy, stress-free life. But before we get into how Menora works, we want to ask, why Menora?
In the market today, we have two major competitors, welfare apps and healthcare professionals. To date, no comprehensive app exists, and those apps which already exist only focus on one aspect of mental health, one aspect of EQ, or one developmental disorder. Further, many are ineffective and not engaging enough.
Our other competitors are healthcare professionals. However, time and money constraints stop many people from seeking treatment. The COVID-19 pandemic has increased the demand for online goods, and by 2025, we predict that the growing workforce of skilled professionals will simply not have the time to visit off-site therapists and counselors. And that's where Menora comes in.
Now, what you must be wondering is how we plan to achieve this. The first and foremost is our virtual counseling and therapy sessions. Here, the user can stay anonymous and is also going away from the user hassle of booking delays and cancellations. Not only this, we are also addressing to the general public. Things like the basic personality development abilities will be taught, thus addressing to a greater audience. At Menora, users are also provided with an in-app store. This store includes products like auditory material, theory material, not to miss our exclusive hug accessories, which are made to give and receive virtual hugs. Something you would have never thought of is the combination of a social and emotional learning app combining with a fashion one. Yes, and it is exclusively for our hug accessories. While making the cuddle more part of our app, we thought of one aspect from the customer's point of view. We don't want to limit the zone of our accessories to be an at-home staple item. Rather, we want them to be desired to be worn at all places, thus spreading the emotional touch over a wider field. Menora will partner up with fashion brands in order to manufacture our accessories. We plan on eliminating things like fast fashion manufacturing methods to a sustainable one, thus increasing the market value and emotional value. A question that would likely pop up in your minds at this point is, why would brands partner with us? Fashion industry is a functional industry. Ours is an emotional one. The human mind is a combination of both, helping fashion brands and an emotional point of view to their trendy clothes, and making something like hug accessories a staple outdoor wear is our main motive. A thing Blue Ocean Competition has taught us is how to look across buyer groups. Something that lacks in the therapeutic industry are the professionals who have dealt with similar problems as the customer. At Menora, once the users who have overcome their mental health problems and personality disorders through our app can volunteer for teaching. Hence, will be trained by our professionals to become experienced professionals, thus changing their roles from users to practitioners.
Create a user base by 3 steps. Firstly, through social media using accounts, subscription lists, press releases and blogs. Secondly, by physically visiting customers like NGOs and hospitals. And thirdly, by online ways like SEOs, tags and social sharing. The majority of the expected income is from the in-store purchases and hired professionals. Expenditure of the collected revenue is mainly on the purchases and maintaining sustainability.
So who are our target audience? They're people with developmental disorders, those who face mental health issues. Unconventionally, we also target people who are looking to develop their personality. The age groups that we focus on fall into 3 distinct categories: 3 to 13, 13 to 21, and 21 to 30. Together we can create a difference, and that difference is Menora.